months, and I have done my this teeth implant, and I am very much satisfied and very much happy with the team, with Dr. Anshul, Dr. Ashika, and Dr. Wakil. This team, they are very good, and they make us so easy and so friendly and so comfortable that I am sure that anyone having any problem, if they are here, 100% they are very much satisfied, and you will feel like you are at home. And other staffs are very cooperative, very friendly, and like very homely also. I am very much happy and I am very much satisfied. Today I finally did with all my teeth implant and all. I am not feeling anything.